Okay, welcome back. So, still on function, we'll be looking at some cases where we'll be using function, where function will be very useful for us. So, today, with little we want to learn, we'll be making use of our index.html. Let me say for the first time or second time, I don't know. Then our JavaScript.js2. So, under index.html, we just want to create a form, and inside this form, we want the users to input the width, the size of a box. Now let's say size of a box, so we want the user to input the width, the height, and probably the length of a particular box. So let me declare an heading. Okay, heading. So h1. Size of what can I put to do it? Kila lepina. Is this size of size of is it package or something? No, all those logistics. What is the best word they use to get the size of your, that's what you want to send them. Size of box. Let me just use box. The size of box. Alright, so inside our form now, we want them to declare the width. So after you have written width, this is just like a label. So this is the width. Then input. This is the input where they are going to write the size, the width of that box. Then the height where they are going to write the height of the box. So let me spell height here. Then the length too. So we're making use of the length as well. And then declare an input. So we want this to be number. We want it to accept only number. Okay. Then ID of length. LENGH2. Are you following? So now this is what we have here. Okay. Also, after this, now after we have taken this, we want to have input that has to do button. So input. So input button, the value should be, let's say, calculate. So the value should be calculate. So this value is what is going to show on our button now. So by now I want to be, you should have learned like 3 different ways of writing your button, of your button we have submit, we have different form of them like that. So this one now is we want the value to be calculate. The calculate is what is going to show on our button now. I don't know if you are getting it. So also there will be another input, and that is where our answer is going to show. Okay, before I even put that, there is one thing that needs to be here. We call it on click. So on click, okay, on click is, we are going to use that one to call the function. On click is what is going to call the function name from JavaScript. So what is the function name that we're going to be giving it? So we can just say the function name can be anything. It can be box size. Remember, must follow Kamen casing. So size, so box size, right? Let's view this on our browser. Okay, I did not put break. I'm going to put that now. So just see, this is, oh, the area is 20. Okay, so I've not commented this out. I'm gonna do that now on the JavaScript. So size of box, we are going to take for width, for height, for length, then calculate. So after it has calculated it, there's going to be another input, and that is where the answer is going to show for us. So let's quickly put another input. Come on, let me remove that thing first. Thought I've commented this out. Okay, I've not saved it. That is why it is still showing there. Let me quickly check again. So okay, it's no more there again. Okay, let's quickly go back to, let me add some break and other things. So the width, so there should be break and another break. Okay, then after height too, there should be another break. Okay, that is after height. Then after length, then calculate. So after calculate, okay, then so another input that I said we're going to be adding now. Which one is input C? This one check box. This input type 2 should be number, because we just want it to display number for us. Number. Then this one should be an ID of, we can say answer or solution. Solution. Okay, this one now, I did. So because it's a function, so we need to always put its parentheses in front of it. Okay, so let's save this now.